Members of the Association of Landowners in Winghom Estate, Okwaja, Lagos State, has disclosed that a federal high court ruling has resolved disputes over ownership of land affected by the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project. At a press conference in Lagos, the group, alongside civil society organizations, said the court struck out claims by Wingham Estate Global Services Limited, clearing the way for individual landowners to take possession of their plots. While expressing support for the Nigerian government's infrastructure drive under the Renewed Hope agenda and commending the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road project, they appealed for compensation or reallocation for land portions affected by the road construction, noting that some investors lost developable space to the project.
We hereby notify the general public, investors, and all relevant authorities that 1. We have lawfully taken possession of our land. 2. We are commencing and/or resuming development activities on the estate. We are ready and willing to comply with all statutory pre-construction obligations, including the payment of land use charge and other government dues as and when they become due. Support for government policy and national development. We wish to place on record our unwavering support for the Renewed Hope agenda of the administration of His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. In particular, we commend and fully support the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road project, a landmark infrastructural development with a far-reaching economic benefit for our great country, Nigeria. As some very meaningful portion of our land has been consumed by the coastal road construction, we respectfully and honorably appeal to the government to please show compassion and magnanimity and compensate for the consumed portion of the land in the estate. This may be monetary or in any form of reallocation to alternative land to the affected landowners.
Sometimes last year, same engineer Ifoma Okongu called on us that she wants to allocate the land to us, that she is willing to allocate the lands to us, and that for her to allocate the land to you, that you have to pay 12.5 million naira per plot as a development levy on each plot. So if you have 10 plots here, that means you're going to pay 125 million naira to her. Some of us here rallied around, and some argued like, we bought this land since 2021. We have not taken possession. How come you are asking us to pay a development levy? We have not seen any road construction, any gutter construction, no electricity, no water, and you are asking for fee. I said, okay, fine. I have my evidence. I paid 50 million to her. As part of it, allocate my land to me. She received the money and she said, okay, she allocated the 13 plots of land I bought for her, all records, receipts, survey, deed, all are with me. She allocated 13 plots of land to me. And to my greatest surprise, I came to this very land. And that same 13 plots of land, look at the land that was fenced over there. And that is the land you're seeing. Someone else has fenced the land. And I called on her, madam, who fenced this very land? She said she was the one that fenced it. I said, why did you fence the very land you gave to me? Her response was, she wanted to try if that falls within the 150 meters the federal government gave as a setback. I said, on a land allocated to me by you, I bought from you and you also collected development levy, allocated same with a survey plan. You went to fence it without my consent. You didn't bring me in the picture. How do I believe this? Why didn't you try another space to test water? How does it look like? So many of us here have gotten same allocation from her. I brought some trips of sand over there and some granite. I wanted to start work last year. She said to me, hold on. She said to me, hold on, that the coastal road is going on. Let us see the height of the coastal road so that whatever I'm going to build will not fall down, will not go so low below the road. I thought we were in agreement. To my greatest surprise, when the road passed, she said, I said, can I start work? She said no, that she's going to court with the federal government to get compensation. My argument was this: if you have 10 plots of land here and federal government took away 2 plots for the road construction, why don't you go back and share the remaining 8? So why are you fighting government? We bought this land from you. Come back to us. If I bought 10 plots, tell me that government took 2 plots for roads and I'm getting 7. I'll be satisfied.
Correct.
Why are you going to the court without carrying us along? How would you sell a land and you go to court to represent the interests of the people you have sold the land to? Where does it stand?
Are we dead?
The moment you sell a land to someone, you have relinquished your right, and you did not have any right to represent the person in the law court.
He has no right.
And the court made it clear in their judgment
yes,
that he quoted here. So we are here to take possession of our land, and that is what we have made clear to her.
Joining in the case.
We are not fighting her, neither are we fighting federal government. We have tied down our resources here since 2021, and you know what that means. Dollar was 790 naira then, not up to 1,000 naira, and today dollar is 1,005. So we are not fighting with her. We have our records. She can't deny it. All we are asking, give us our land.